A very popular use case is to embed a chatbot within a website so that you can help visitors of your website to locate information in an easy manner. For example, have a chat box bubble in the lower right hand of the page that a user can expand to engage in a chat conversation with the data that you have trained the chatbot on. In this section, we're going to show step by step how this can be done in Flowise. I've loaded a flow on the screen that we've built before. This flow represents information from an earnings report from a company called Flex LNG. As you recall, in this vector data store, we have 3 PDFs representing 3 different quarters of earnings reports. And this chat flow, I can test out within Flowise itself. So I'm just going to give an example of that. I'm going to ask it what is the TCE rate, time chart equivalent rate for first quarter 2023. And it shows also the document information from where it got the information. So you can be assured that the information is correct. So it's showing me it was from the first quarter 2023 earnings report. And this was the snippet that it matched it to. And it has the right information. So we have this information answered properly, trained within our vector store. I'm just going to take this website as an example. So we have the Flex LNG website that I've saved as a HTML file, and then I'm going to use that HTML file to make the modifications that are needed. All right, I'm going to go back to my Flex LNG PDF flow, and I'm going to select the button here at the top. In this button here, you see at the top, Embed, Python, JavaScript, and curl. So this gives you different options to be able to access your flow. So I'm going to use the embed option. So this script here, I'm just going to copy. So Flowise has a really nice feature that allows you to then take this snippet of code and insert that into your HTML page and have that chatbot appear right on the HTML page. I've opened up the HTML page that represents the Flex LNG homepage. And I've also copied the snippet of code that we saw in the Flowise diagram before. What I'm going to do is navigate to the body part of this HTML file, and then I'm simply going to copy this into the body, and then I'll save it. Now that I've saved the HTML file with the code snippet, I'm going to notice here at the lower right corner a new bubble. This bubble now, if I click on it, is a chatbot that executes the same flow that we had in the Flowise diagram. So let's just test it out and see if we get exactly the same information. So I'm going to ask it again the same question. What is the TCE rate for first quarter 2023? Right. So exactly the same information, and it also gives you the references for where it found the information. So we can see here that it's the same first quarter 2023 from this PDF file, and this is the information that it derived from. I'm going to just test it again with a similar question. And as you can see here, it also returned the correct answer and gave you the context in which it used to find the answer. So very powerful ability to take your custom data and embed that into any website you would like.